Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another cooking video, and for today's recipe it is fried rice that I added roasted duck. My husband roasted a duck the other day and we had some leftover, and I just added the diced duck into the fried rice, and my boys pretty like them. Pretty like the fried rice, especially my younger one, so it's a win-win. It's pretty easy to make. I just dropped or add everything I have in the pantry, well, that would make sense for fried rice, into the stir frying, and voila. I'll see you soon again. I'll check out the full video and I'll see you again. Bye. So melt about quarter cup of unsalted butter, and we're gonna saute 5 sliced garlic and quarter cup of sliced quarter cup to third cup of sliced purple onion. We're gonna saute it until softened and fragrant. Now add in mixed veggies and some slice of cabbage. So this is about half cup of mixed veggies. They were frozen, so you just have to rinse it a little. And then about third cup of sliced cabbage. The amount is actually up to your liking, and we're gonna stir fry this until softened as well. Now that veggies are softened, we're gonna crack an egg and we're gonna scramble it. Just like so. You can use 2 eggs if you want, but I have a lot of protein already. I have prepared some protein on the side already with cheese. I'm gonna show you in a bit. What I have here is about 1.5 pack of cube roasted duck. My husband roasted a duck yesterday, and this is the leftover, about 1 to 1.5 cup of duck meat that I cube. So just drop in to the pan, and now we're gonna add in our rice and just mix it. So this is enough for 3 to 4 portions. And season it with Hungarian Vegeta powder and also white pepper ground and a little bit of MSG if you like it. If not, the Vegeta powder will be just enough, and mix it properly. And that's about it. Your no hassle duck fried rice is ready to be served.